Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about candlestick charts for beginners. What is a candlestick chart? First, this is what a candlestick chart looks like. A candlestick chart is the style of financial chart used to describe price movement of a stock. Each candlestick represents a specific time interval picked by a user. For an example, my screen shows a 30-minute candlestick chart. Therefore, each candlestick represents a 30-minute time interval. Now, let's check these candles in detail. In a candlestick chart, you will see green and red candles. Green candlestick represents a bullish candle. Red candlestick represents a bearish candle. And green candle shows a price increase from open to close over a specific time period. Red candle represents a price decrease from open to close over a time period. Now, let's check what is the top and the bottom represent in each candlestick. Bottom of a green candlestick represents the opening price. Top of the green candlestick represents the closing price. And top of the red candlestick represents the opening price. Bottom of the red candlestick represents the closing price. Next, let's talk about the vertical lines that goes through the candlestick. Top is stretch vertical line through the candlestick represents the highest price during a specific time period. And the bottom stretch vertical line through the candlestick represent the lowest price during the specific time period. For an example, my screen shows a 30-minute candlestick chart of S&P 500 ETF. At the open bell today, first 30-minute candle was a bearish candle. When I point over the first candle in the top left corner next to the name of the stock, you can see the open price, highest price, lowest price, and closing price respectively. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel and feel free to ask any questions, and have a wonderful day.